Hey everyone, it's Charlene. Good morning. Happy Friday. I had actually planned to go live today for the first time on YouTube, and I got all set up and I was very excited. And then I hit the go live button and I got a message saying you have to wait 24 hours to do your first live stream. So I am not live, I am recording, but I wanted to get out a video to you guys today because it's been a couple days and it's been crazy busy. My son broke his front tooth, so we've been to a ton of dentist appointments, and then I have been getting ready for the Holly Jolly holiday workshop with Concord and Ninth. So I have been die cutting and stamping and getting all my stuff ready for that. So I wanted to chat with you all about virtual crops, and I had hoped to do it live because I thought that would be kind of fun so I could answer questions and things like that. But alas, we will have to do a live on something else. So I'm just going to show you what came with my package, and I'm going to show you what I've been working on, what I've got ready for the crop today. And I'll be back. Maybe I'll do a live showing you everything I made. That might be kind of fun. And then I can answer some more questions. So I'm going to switch over to my desk. Because like I said, I have this all set up to do as a live. So here are all of the die cuts that I have prepped. There's this and another batch of them. I'll show you them all. But they're really fun. There's tags and poinsettia leaves, these fun leaves in different colors they had us die cut. This die is really very pretty, this Mary die, and it has a shadow as well down here. But we've got cute little bow die cut and little kind of snowflakey sparkles. This giant die shadow, and then the letters for joy, and these are really cute. I think we're going to be doing some die cut inlay. You can see all the little pieces that are going for that. And then these adorable little stockings. They had us cut several of them, and then some of them we stamped as well. And these are all the little pieces that go on top of the stocking, which is really fun. And this is the little toe part down here for the stocking. Little mini tags, which are super cute. I love those. And then little holly leaves, just so much stuff. So this crop is scheduled to go today and tomorrow. And they had us do all of the die cutting ahead of time, so that way we can get all of the cards and everything done. So this is the second batch of things. So I've got all my card bases ready. This is really pretty. This is a wreath, and then it's a 3-part die. It's pretty cool. And then this fun scored snowflakes. So there's score lines. It's gonna look really cool, I think, when it's all folded up. And these little snowflakes, there's a big, a medium, and a small. Some more tags, which we stamped. And then some more die cuts of the snowflakes. So this took quite a while prepping. I would say keep that in mind if you're gonna do any crops, to make sure you are prepared ahead of time, because all of the ones that I have done require a fair bit of preparation. All right, I'm going to move this and I'm going to show you. It's not really an unboxing, but I wanted to show you what else came along with the package. So here's the instruction book. It's very well done. And then it came with this giant stamp set. So super cute stuff. We're gonna do some kind of, looks like maybe a turnabout. And then all of these stamps, which allow you to, I like this one, no peeking. So at the end of this, I should have tons of holiday tags and cards and everything, and I'm planning on using them for teacher gifts and things like that. It came with 4 ink cubes. There was clover, cranberry, sea glass, and grapefruit. And I just have these ready to go for later today when the crop starts. This is my leftover paper. I managed to get quite a bit left over because I did my die cuts really strategically. But it came with a big stack of paper, all kinds of different colors. And then these are the dies. You can see there are a lot. So this was definitely a good package, and I really like them. I can see myself using them for lots of different holiday stuff each year. I think they're kind of like timeless style, which is really nice. Okay, so this is what is left in my box. It all came in here initially, but I wanted to show you the other things that are in here. And then due to some shipping issues that, the global market has been having, they are sending us a few more things, little embellishments and stuff that they did not have in time. So this little bag of saltwater taffy, which I will be eating now. This cute little pin that says, "Let's be jolly." Some glossy details. Looks like they're glittery. Yep. So I think these are very similar to, what are the ones I have? Oh, the stickles. I think they're probably pretty similar to that. And then this, oh, my hair is falling on my mic. Hopefully that doesn't mess with the sound for you guys. This cute little silicone mat, which is nice because we have to do some hot gluing for part of the class, which reminds me I do need to get my hot glue gun out. These are envelopes. And then there are a couple of little make and takes that they are going to do. And I have not broken that pack out yet either. So lots of fun stuff. I love boxes that are all prepped. That's why I get the monthly subscriptions now for different stamps. All right, let me switch you over here. Okay, so this is me, by the way. You guys were lucky and did get a little bit of lip gloss, but no makeup otherwise. I did have to get up so I could finish up prep for this. And now I'm gonna get myself some breakfast, and then I'm gonna go to the crop and I'm gonna get started. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye.